Hello everyone. My name is Linda Gunnar. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creations. Linda's Perfection Creation is an event planning and wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in and around Philadelphia area. We do full service, partial, one of coronations. We do custom events. We do milestone celebrations. We do planning in all states. We do destination wedding as well. We do decor and planning. So if you have a decor aspect that you want us to do, or if you just have something like a home station or Airbnb, it doesn't matter if you have some services that you want us to in the expression of the place from decor, but pretty much anything you name it or we do that. I am a master certified wedding planner and also a licensed florist. I have many years of experience in this business, and it's always a joy to talk to you guys and bring new things to you. So, today I want to talk about makeup on your wedding day. And I know a lot of times when we are talking about makeup, and I know my ladies, I know we love our face beat and we love to get our makeup looking stylish and nice and everything look, on point. However, I know you're gonna say, well, where's the however coming from? It's your wedding day. You have to think about lighting. You gotta think about how the picture's gonna show. You also have to think about how you're gonna look. And there is, okay, let me say it. I'm trying to say it in a nice way. I'm just gonna say, okay. So there are certain category of makeup. When I mean category, the certain makeup you're supposed to wear in a day. The certain makeup you're supposed to wear in the night. The setting wearing you're supposed to wear on certain occasion. And what I mean by that, you'll be wondering like, what do you mean? In the daytime, it's a little, it's bright outside, so you don't want to just drown yourself. At nighttime, you can go a little heavier on your makeup because it's fine. But what I'm trying to say is that when you are using or makeup artists, and I know some people think it's okay. Some people, it's not really the makeup artist to be honest with you, because some people just naturally like the makeup heavy and drawn. And I understand you love the beat and you want to see it and they can, get all this couture and everything like that. But what happens is that if your face is so bathing in and drowning in the makeup, you can tell the difference from your skin complexion. If you can tell the difference in a lighting setting where your skin look lighter and the other part look darker, or this part look white and you just look like a ghost on your wedding day. Yes, I understand you. There's a lot of natural. This should bring out your natural element. I understand that people want to get a nice makeup and something done. There's nothing with a nice beat, but you don't want to wear too heavy of a makeup on your wedding day because you gotta think about one, you're moving around. You're gonna be a lot of sweating. There's a lot of movement a long day, and also the lighting. You got cameras on you, you got videographer on you, got spotlight on you, got a lot of things on it. There's a lot of things coming. And if your makeup is not blend well, if it doesn't look well, if it doesn't show in a lot of places, it actually like it looks bad. It looks really bad. That you have to wear something, and when it's time to talk about it, you just on your picture you look like two different person. You look like a ghost or you look like somebody else. So all I'm saying is I know I'm not, I love me some, well, makeup is there to accentuate, to make it look nice. And I know some people are like, well, what is she talking about? And sometimes to you it makes it look fine, but to others it may not. And I really do this when my bride's getting her makeup done. I go check. I will let the photographer, the makeup artist know, okay, no, I maybe this is a little heavy. Because sometimes people just dry, especially from I mean, even your brows is so dark that you look drawn on. You look like they just took a picture of a clown face and just put it on you. And I'm being real and I'm being honest as possible that I can be. So, and sometimes when you see this picture, you might look at it, but people look at the picture like, what the heck was she thinking? Why did that? So be careful. And say it to say is that be careful with the makeup that you put on your face. You want somebody who will make you look natural, bring out your inner beauty, not take you from you to three other different people or look like you're just closer to the cemetery. So be careful with the kind of makeup you put on your face. Be careful with the palette that you put on the face. Do your try one. Even if you're something a makeup artist, do a try one with your makeup artist. Make sure they know what they're doing. There's a lot of makeup artists out here that who are great, and there's a lot of makeup artists out there who are horrible. It doesn't mean because they don't blend well, they not they don't know the colors. Not every color should be on your face. Not everything should be on it. So you want to literally take like be careful with the choice of makeup you use. And one thing that I always tell all my bride, before you get wearing, at least 6 months before, if you can even start longer than that, start a face regimen. Honestly, because if you start cleaning your face and taking care of yourself and taking care of your skin, both in and out, and I promise you, it's not only say, oh well, I'm cleaning my skin. Yes, you can clean your face. Eat healthy. When I mean healthy, I understand we all have our passion. I'm not saying go on a diet. I'm saying manage the intake of certain food. Certain food that will give a lot of greasy food, a lot of things that will add, that damage our skin and do things that do that. Exfoliate. I'm sorry, can't even talk. Exfoliate at least once a month or twice a week. And not every day because you don't want to irritate this. At least 2 times or once a month. Minimum once, but at least twice a month. You want to do a face regimen, twice a day. If you cannot do it twice a day, because I understand sometimes, we mom, we're working with basic, you can at least try to do it at night. The reason why, even if you skip the morning, make sure you do it at night. Because you know what happened at night is that all the nutrients, everything that your face is resting, the moisturizer, the cream, everything goes into your pores and it just sit there. If you ever wake up in the morning, you see that your natural skin or the natural glow and things that happen, it makes your skin brighter than glow. And also, even if you don't wash, have a nice moisturizer that you can use on your face. Have your sunblock if it's summertime. Yes, we millennial do. We break because we say, oh, yes, I know, black people, we do burn. We burn. Make sure you take care of your skin. Make sure you take care of your whole body. Do a scrub. And then a month before your wedding, go ahead and do your bridal face thing. And even another thing too, if you are taking care of your face prior on before you that whole time, you may not even need a bridal project because the thing about it, your face will naturally progress in its own time. It will take its time and it will get to where you need it. And I said it to say that if your skin is clear, your skin is radiant, your skin looks nice, there's no need to dry your face in a lot of things. And I know some people, yes, some people who cannot go a day without wearing makeup, some people who do not go a day without a face beat. I don't hold anything against you, that's your face. But the bad thing you have to understand by doing that is that you're clocking your pores. That's what underneath that makeup, your pores start to go on, your skin start to get wrinkled, you look older before your time, your face start to die because you're not giving yourself time to breathe. You put your makeup on from morning to night, and then when you come home, the face high note is like every single day just drowning. Nothing wrong with wearing makeup, but you don't have to do a full beat every single day. Like, come on, that's just ridiculous. Now, if you want to do it, I understand, but it's just that your skin, you are damaging your skin. And on your wedding day, you want to have that glow. You do not, and then also minimize your stress. Drink a lot of water intake. Water is good for you. Trust me. I'm not here to treat you on it, but I seen the difference when a bride take care of themselves, how the pictures look. Because this is the thing, you've been a photographer by minimum 4,000 and up for a certain amount of hour. Let's say maybe $250 an hour minimum, I would say, for setting a photographer. You paying for those things. So you take this picture, there's no redo. Even if you try to redo it, you cannot recreate that look. Make sure you take care of your skin. A limited amount of makeup you put on your face, and on your wedding day, make sure you know somebody who know how to blend, who know how to couture, who know how to make sure that your skin look beautiful on your wedding day, that you don't end up looking like a ghost. But that is all for today. Please, thank you for watching. My name is Linda Gunno. Please like and share, and you can subscribe as well, because there's a lot of good things I have. I keep promising, and I'm saying it, like wedding season is almost over. And as season calm down, we're going to start doing decor. We're going to start doing a lot of exciting things. So I'm really excited with that. But please like and share to my channel. Once again, my name is Linda Gunner. I am the CEO and founder of Linda Perfection Creations. You can follow me on my website at www.lindaperfectcreationsevents.com. Thank you and have an amazing day. Bye.